case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1971 case, Lee v. Crookston Coca-Cola Bottling Company, the Minnesota Supreme Court addressed the issue of strict liability for manufacturers and sellers of defective products. The central question was whether the defendant should be held liable for harm caused to a consumer by a defective product without the plaintiff having to prove negligence or a specific defect if the product was defective when it left the defendant's control. The lawsuit was filed by Helen Lee and her husband after a Coca-Cola bottle exploded in her hand while she was transferring it to a cooler, causing a glass fragment to puncture her right wrist's median nerve. They claimed that the manufacturer should be held liable under strict liability in tort. However, the trial court submitted the issue of contributory negligence instead of strict liability, and the jury ruled in favor of the defendant. The majority opinion disagreed with the trial court's approach and granted a retrial, stating that the focus should have been on strict liability. The court held that the defendant could still be held responsible if the bottle was defective upon leaving their control, without the plaintiffs needing to prove negligence or a specific defect. The retrial aimed to instruct the jury on the defendant's liability in regards to potential existing defects in the product.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.